Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to convert YouTube video to PowerPoint slides. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to convert YouTube videos into PowerPoint slides? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are now in Microsoft PowerPoint, and as you can see, we created a new PowerPoint presentation. So let's just click this and then let me slide, right? So to convert or to add a YouTube video to your PowerPoint presentation, it's very easy. So choose the slide that you want to put your video in and click on insert, right? So now we are in insert. Go all the way to the video. It's third from the right. So it's screen recording, audio, video, right? Click on video and then click on online video. So as you can see here, automatically it's going to be on YouTube. So let's just say you just search for, like, say, Coast to Coast AM. It's going to show you results. So for example, this is the one that you chose. Click on that, insert, and there you have it. It's going to be, and you can resize it, right? You can resize it to the size that you want, right? So there you go, right? And then if you, again, you can do it again by clicking on another slide, clicking on insert, go to video again, and then click online video. Same thing. Just search for the video, search the exact video title so that you won't need to have any issues. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.